Vibration body massagers are devices designed to provide therapeutic massages through vibrations. Let's unbox this massager. It is a handheld device with an ergonomic design, making it easy to use and maneuver on different parts of the body. It comes with 3 massage attachments or heads that can target different muscle groups or provide specific types of massages, such as a deep tissue massage or a gentle relaxation massage. It includes a heat function to enhance the therapeutic benefits of the massage. Heat can help relax muscles and improve blood circulation. The massager offers multiple vibration intensity levels or modes, allowing users to customize their massage experience based on personal preferences and specific needs. To watch more content like this, subscribe to my channel.